Rachel, I'm gonna kick you in your vagina. War's on, bitch. War's on.
So Lily got very last minute tickets to Sham. I'm just waiting for her now to come grab all the camping stuff. Very last minute. And she quit her job. Because she's wild like that.
This is how we get famous, bitch! Yeah, bitch, with the flag. Shake, 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 like a tambourine. Like a green, ladies. And you know you bad. So put your hands in the air. So funny. And I haven't been entirely honest with you. Let it show. It's time to let you know. To let you know. This is real. This is me. This is exactly where I'm supposed to be now. Gonna let the light shine on me. Just coming in hot. Coming in hot with those hazard lights. Ah! Because we're lucky.
So how are we gonna hide this booze? With the fucking, oh my goodness.
In this, because we're getting searched. We're getting searched.
I was like,
What are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? What are you waiting for, universe? Come on! You did it for a